Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe integration with Hubspot. So to do that, you first need to head over here into Hubspot, and once you're in there, click on this marketplace right here. Now click on Hubspot Marketplace. Before we move forward, it's important to understand why this integration is useful. Connecting Stripe with HubSpot allows you to track payments, manage customer data, and automate workflows all in one place. This setup helps you save time, reduce manual errors, and get better visibility into your sales and revenue performance directly inside HubSpot. Once you're in here, click on the search and proceed to search for Stripe. Here you can see Stripe created by HubSpot, so proceed to click on that, and once you're in there, click on this Install. This will open this and click on Connect to Stripe. Now this will open a new window wherein you will be asked for your Stripe credentials. So in order to connect it directly to your HubSpot, input right here your email address and proceed to click on Continue. And once you have inputted right here your actual details, you can just proceed to sign in into your Stripe. Let me head over and sign in to mine. Now, from in there, this will actually go over to Stripe, and this should initiate the connection and integration to HubSpot. So that's all there is to it. Once the integration is complete, you'll be able to see payment data synced directly into HubSpot, making it easier to manage contacts, deals, and reports. This also opens up opportunities to create automated follow-ups, receipts, and internal notifications, helping your sales and finance teams stay aligned without any extra manual work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching.